Hey everyone, I am going to settle the burning question in my mind once and for all, folks. Are dryer balls more efficient, and do they honestly leave one's laundry softer and drier than, ta-da, dryer sheets? Now, I know these are good for the environment, and all joking aside, I do want to see, if in fact they do work. Because if they do, these are a blessing for my one son who has allergies to anything with lavender in. And sometimes I honestly don't watch the detergent I may buy, and it may have lavender in its scent. And, it almost feels like one of my cat's toys. I definitely have to keep these down here because upstairs, my cats would have a field day probably pouncing on these and swatting these babies around. Now, I only have a small load of laundry, so, there's your message somewhere. I do give them that. Oh no, I deflated. Oh heck. This is probably not good. I think I deflated one. Okay, it's coming back. This one looks more square. Oh shoot, what did I do? And you can probably see the difference, folks, trying to get it out of the package. This one already got a little flattened. Trying to get it back into its shape, but I'm not doing a very good job. Okay, here we go. It's almost there. It'll probably get back into its shape when I throw it in the dryer. Only thing is, there's it doesn't say if you have a small load if you only need one or two. Well, I'm getting off on the side of being correct, and I'll throw both dryer balls in. Set my cycle for the high heat, 60. Alrighty, one over here. Oh, that could be the hoodie. Okay. Oh, which reminds me, I forgot to tie the ties. What you heard, I hope, was the zippers in the hoodie I have in here. I lucked out at my local food pantry yesterday, and sometimes they get nice clothes in, rare. A lot of times it's pretty beat up. But I got this really cute Victoria's Secret pink hoodie. However, it's going to need a new zipper because the bottom part that needs to hold the two ends of the zipper together is gone, and don't have also the piece that goes up. So, but I have a little sewing machine upstairs, and I have another hoodie actually from Wish. It was a plastic zipper, which wasn't really good. I'm going to have to do that and replace those zippers too. That's my to-do list. That's coming. Well, let's try this again. That has to be the dryer balls. It definitely has to be the dryer balls. I guess it's noisier because it's a small load of laundry. I don't really know. Well, you know what? We'll come back in an hour and see how my laundry is. Hey everyone, we're back down in my basement, dreary little place that it is, and we're going to see if there's any truth to the claims that these rubber dryer balls do make your clothes soft and no scent, and your laundry feels great. What's in the dryer right now is my son's laundry. I just started taking mine out actually like 2 minutes ago. So let's see what I have discovered. Well, now the only scent that I can smell obviously is my Tide Pods. Sure, it's pretty soft. Yeah, this is soft too. This is the pink hoodie I was talking about that I found. I rescued it, I guess you could say, at my food pantry. They often get clothing in. Like I said, it needs a new zipper, but when you see something Victoria's Secret and it is legit, it has the love pink lining inside, so this is Victoria's Secret. It's not a knockoff. I'll take the time definitely to put a new zipper in it, because this is a pretty good hoodie. I mean, it's been worn a little bit, but I can definitely use this in the springtime when I go hiking on the rails and trails. This will be good to have. And this is actually very, very soft. So it did do a good job with this. This was a little rough around the edges yesterday. One thing I can tell you right now, the dryer balls do nothing for static cling. This shirt was, still probably trying to stick to me. Yeah, look at that, like a magnet. We'll stick into a black sweater, so. Sweater feels a little softer though. Oh, a little shrug actually. Alrighty then. What can I say about rubber balls? Bear with me, I just had a silly thought saying rubber balls. We're adults, hopefully, and a crazy thought just went through yours truly's head. No, seriously, joking aside, they do work. It's very subtle. Probably if you use them repeatedly for several loads of laundry, similar clothing that you may wear often, you probably will long-term notice a difference. So I'm going to keep them down here in my laundry room here, and I'm going to use them for a little bit. I may have to throw dryer sheets in occasionally to prevent the deadly static cling, but aside from that, I could make do with these for a while. My Tide Pods have a nice scent, so I'm not even worried about that overkill with the scent issue. But all in all, I do think that there is some truth in what they do, and main thing is they are healthy for the environment. You don't have these shreds of fiber that don't dissolve for Lord knows how long, and they may get caught up in with birds and animals and things, and if you really want to go out on a limb with that thought, you can. All in all, I think there is truth in it, but it's very subtle, and I'm going to hang on to this thought and use them for a little while, see what happens. It's not going to hurt, right? Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, can't see my thumb. There's my thumb. Give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you soon.